Hey, how's it going, YouTube? It's Easy Does Too. Today we're going to be checking out the TCP Pepperball launcher, and today I'm actually going to shoot it for the first time. So I finally received SD live rounds and some CO2s and the inner like the practice rounds. But today I loaded the gun with the Byrna the plastic projectiles. So I want to see if those will shoot off with this gun. This is my first time shooting it, so I never shot it before. So let's head to the studio and then we'll take I loaded it like with 6 rounds, so let's take a few shots. So the studio is going to be a little bit loud with the fans, so I'll talk a little louder. So let's head to the studio. Excuse me. So we're here in our LA studio. So I loaded the TCP with the Byrna practice rounds, the rubber balls. So let's take a few shots. This is my first time shooting it. Oh my God. Whoa. Whoa. It seemed like it had much force, way more power than the Byrna. The ball's on the floor. It dropped the box. Let's take a few more rounds. Ooh, you could tell it's going over, probably over 290 PSI. It's hitting the curtain in the back. That's it. Wow. Let's head back. Let's go out of the studio. So it looks like it seems like way more power than the Byrna HD. But this is my first time shooting it, so the Byrna rubber rounds worked great. So in our next video, we'll be shooting the practice rounds. And then I have that adapter, the split fire. So we'll be doing that in the next video. Well, thank you for watching. This is Easy Does Too. This is the TCP Pepperball launcher. Subscribe and like.